I'm Mike Lanesman, and welcome to another video tutorial.
This tutorial will demonstrate how to create what is called a 3D anaglyph image. It's the image you're seeing on the screen right now. It works on the principle of using a viewer, which normally take on the appearance of a pair of glasses, the left eye being colored red and the right eye being colored blue. When viewed through these glasses, one gets the illusion of a 3D image. This technique was used extensively in the 70s in movies, and really fun to create a 3D image using one image in Photoshop. To begin with, we need to select a candidate image or an image that we feel would be appropriate to use this technique on. You will find that a very good result is obtained from a black and white image, although this image can be created equally as well using a color image. To start off this technique, we open our image in Photoshop and we head on over to the Layers panel. And in the Layers panel, we're going to create two duplicate layers. The technique that we can use is hitting the Command plus J key and Command plus J. We're going to work on the first duplicate layer, which is the layer that's intended for the perspective and the coloring of the left eye. Select layer 1, select the layer style icon, click on it, and select blending options. All we need to do over here is we need to untick the blue and untick the green channels and click OK. We do the same on the right eye view. Simply select this layer, select the layer style icon, select blending options, and we do the inverse of this one. In this one we just hide the red channel and we click OK. We can rename these layers for ease of reference. By double clicking on the name layer 1, we can call this one left eye. Press enter and double click on the name of this one and we can rename this one right eye. We're going to work on the left eye layer for now, and we're going to now introduce the perspective distortion for the left eye. For this technique we head on over to the edit menu, we select transform and perspective. We will now create the perspective for the left eye. Holding the Shift key will ensure that the vertical axis of this transformation is preserved, and click and drag while holding Shift, and this degree will vary on the amount that you want to attach to it. I would say probably around about 1.2 would suffice for this result. We now press the Enter key, and we now head on over to the right eye layer and invoke the same transformation. Edit, transform, perspective, holding down the Shift key to constrain its vertical transformation, click and drag up until you reach the same angle of 1.2. We now press enter, and you can now see that offset between the left and the right eyes, between the red and the blue. Using your 3D glasses now, you'll be able to see your 3D effect taking place right before your eyes. In order to save this as a more usable format, we would select the Layer Flatten Image option, and we could then File, Save As, and we could then go ahead and select it to save it in the JPEG option. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial, and I hope that you get a lot of fun out of using this technique. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.